Here's a pair of the Bose 700 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Google TV streamer via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Google TV streamer. Just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote, and then you want to navigate to the gear icon, top right hand side. So make sure you go up and then right, keep going to the right. Make sure the gear icon is highlighted where it says all settings. Okay, select that. Okay on the remote. From here, left pane, we're going to scroll down to remotes and accessories. Remotes and accessories right there. Okay on the remote. Now, before we select pair remote or accessory, let's first go ahead and put these Bose into pairing mode, okay? So let me look on here. Now I see a Bluetooth button right here, okay? So what we want is we want this LED light to have like a slow blue blinking light, okay? So let me go ahead and hold this Bluetooth button. Ready, set, go. Let me just press and hold. Oops, sorry, it's up here. I'm gonna hold it, just wait. And now you can see a blue blinking light right there. So we are in pairing mode, it's blinking blue. Now look over here, now we're gonna select pair remote or accessory. Now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode that's near me. So this is in pairing mode still. Let's wait and see, yep, Bose NC700 headphones, it popped up right there. Go ahead and highlight it. Let's select it. It says pairing. We should get a Bluetooth pairing request here shortly. Where's it at? Ah, there we go. Okay, so just make sure pair is highlighted. Okay on the remote. Okay, it said connected. Also said connected on here as well. And you can see that we're connected. Bose 700 NC headphones and I have a battery level of 100% right now because I just charged it. Now we're connected, ready to go. Now if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the description in the link below.